Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic will be some tips and tricks about MS Word. So let us start this topic.
So good morning students. In this video I am going to explain the different formatting tools which you are going to use in MS Word. For example, how to apply bold, italic, underline, how to save the document. So what is the difference between save and save as. So all these kinds of different formatting and editing tools we are going to see in this topic. So let's start the topic. So as you can see, this is the main home page of MS Word document. In this home page, the very first, you can see the title bar over here that is written document 1 Microsoft Word. So it will show document 1 until you will save this particular document. So let's save the document first. So what we have to do to save the document, either click on this option on the quick access toolbar, you can see the floppy disk option, or you can click on the menu bar here. For example, let's see, after clicking on this save option, what you will get, you will get a pop-up window like this. It will ask you to save the document. As you can see here, it has written file name. So instead of doc1.docx, you have to write the file name. Let's cancel this first. Then let's move to the start menu bar over here. As you can see here also there is the option of save. So either you can click on this option also, again you will get the same pop-up window. And the third option is Ctrl+S. By using the shortcut key from the keyboard, you have to press Ctrl+S. If you are pressing Ctrl+S, then also you are getting the same option. So for all the three process, either you can click on the save option from the quick access toolbar, or you can click on the start menu bar option, or you can use the shortcut key that is Ctrl+S with the help of your keyboard. So when you are using all the three options, you will get the same pop-up window to save the file. So let's start doing that. So what we have to do, let's start something typing in this particular document. So I'm writing. So as you can see here, I have written, hi, how are you? So after writing this text, so one thing have you noticed over here, when I have started writing the first letter of this whole line, that is H. So the before giving the space, the first letter, it was in a small letter. As you can see here, I am again going to the next line. I am writing any word, that is I am. Again I will write hi. As you can see here, H is in small. After writing the second word also, the H is small. But when I am pressing the spacebar button, automatically the first letter will be capital. Please see, I have given the space, and you can see the first letter which was in the small letter, it is already converted into the capital letter. So in this way, some of the features are inbuilt in this Microsoft Word, so that it can take itself, or it can changes itself automatically. So let's move to the next topic. Suppose if you want to apply bold, italic and underline for this particular text, so what we have to do, so before applying any editing tool on this particular software, you have to select the text first. You can select the text with the help of three different ways. The very first one is, if you want to select the whole text, suppose I have written this word, this whole paragraph, that is hi, how are you. So if you want to select this whole line, so what you have to do, you have to press the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+A with the help of your keyboard. See, I have pressed Ctrl+A. The whole text which I have written on this MS Word document, it has been selected at once. In case if you want to select with the help of mouse, so what you have to do, you have to see where is your cursor. So your cursor is on the right side. So what we have to do, you have to click with the help of mouse and drag it to the leftwards. So the text will be selected. And the third way is that you have to do with the help of keyboard only. What we have to do, we have to press the shift button on the keyboard, and again you have to see where is your cursor. Your cursor is on the right side, and you have to move to the left side. So in this case, you have to use the left arrow key. You have to press the shift key and you have to press the left arrow key. So in this way you can select the word. So what is the advantage of using the shift button? The advantage of shift button is that you can shift, or with the help of mouse the advantage is that you can select the letter by letter. See, if I'm pressing the shift key and I'm pressing the left arrow key, see, one letter is being selected with the help of this shift key and arrow button. But when I am using this whole control plus A option, all the text, that means not only this line which I have written over here, hi, how are you, suppose there are 1 to 100 pages document is there, all the 100 pages document will be selected at once with the help of control plus A keyboard shortcut key with the help of keyboard. Suppose if you want to select only the few paragraph or few lines of the on any page, then you have to use the shift button or with the help of mouse. So this was the selection part which you have to take care before editing any part on this particular MS Word document. So let us move to the forward. So after this, what we have to do, after this, let us go to the editing part, that is bold, italic, underline. As you can see here, on the home menu bar option, there is an option of, in the font group, there is an option of bold, italic and underline. So you can change all those, you can apply all those things with the help of this particular font option. So what we have to do, and what is the shortcut key of font? The shortcut key of font is control plus D, D for doll, control plus D. So what we have to do here, if we are pressing control plus D option, see, I have pressed with the help of keyboard control plus D. So all the pop-up window which I got in front of me, that is font. As you can see, it is written over here, and the same thing is written over here, font. All the details with this this particular pop-up window is carrying with itself, it is present on this font option. So either you can use this one or this one, both are same. So if you want to apply bold, you have to select the text first and you have to click on this B. See, the bold is been applied to this particular selected text. And if you want to apply underline, you can click on I, it will be applied on this particular text. And if you want to do underline, you can click on this U option, and you can see there is an underline on this particular selected text. So in this way you can apply all those things. So when you are applying this bold, italic, underline, you can see here it has been selected. The color of this particular icons has been changed, background color. Before it was like this, there was no orange color on the background, but after selecting this, you can see there is an orange color on this particular background. That means bold, italic, underline and this left alignment is been selected for this particular selected text. So in this way you can apply this kind of editings. So let us move forward. So again, if you want to apply the center alignment, select the text, either click Ctrl plus E, that is the shortcut key for the center alignment, or you can press this particular icon present over here under the paragraph group. So what you have to do, you have to click on this. You can see the text which was on the left side, it is automatically will be moved to the center. And let me tell you one thing, this particular center is being defined by the margin of the page. So whatever the margin you are going to decide for the page, so that will be according to that margin only the center of the page will be decided. So again, you can the next option is Control plus R, that is the right alignment, and then the last option is Control plus J, that is justify. So in this justify will not work, because to apply the justify, the whole line starting from here till here till the end of this margin line, it has to be equally. So let's go for a simple example. Suppose I'm typing anything. That's now I have selected this particular option, that is Control plus J. That's the reason you can see from the left hand side and the right hand side of the text, it is being in a proper way. If I am selecting, suppose I'm selecting all this option, return text, and I'm selecting left alignment, you can see the difference. Now you can see the difference. You can see there is no any equal line cutting of the end of each of every line. So this is the main difference between justify, center alignment, left alignment and right alignment. If I'm using center, you can see like this it will show. If I'm using the right alignment, all the things which has been on the left hand side has been shifted to the right hand side. And if I'm using the justify, as you can see I'm using justify, so you can see each and everything is been systematically updated. So this was the option of all the 4 alignments in our MS Word, that is left, right, center and justify. So till now what we have seen bold, italic, underline, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justify. So now what we are going to see is the line spacing between the lines. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines. So now we are going to see the line spacing. So let us start doing this. So before applying any formatting tool, what we have to do, as I told you earlier, we have to select the whole text. So I have selected the whole text. Now what we have to apply, the line spacing option. For this we have to again go on the paragraph option. In this paragraph option, just beside the justify option, there is a small icon like this. There is a 2 arrow upside and downside, and there are few lines. So if you keep the cursor on this, automatically you will get a message that it is a line spacing option. So you have to click on this option. You will get different types of numbers. So with the help of this number, suppose if I am selecting 3.0, that means there will be a gap of 3.0 inch in between the lines. So as you can see, first line, second line, third, there is a gap of 3.0. If you want to reduce the size, you can reduce the size from here, that is 2. If I am selecting 2, that is 2.5, or I am selecting 1 or 1.15. So with the help of this option, you can easily change the line spacing between the lines. So if I am selecting on this line spacing option, see, so if I am selecting this, so what will happen, why this option is given, that is line spacing option. So suppose that's now you people have seen there are different kinds of options number, that is 1, 1.15, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. Suppose if you want to select between 2.5 and 3, any number, so what you have to do, according to yourself, you can easily adjust. As you can see here, you can see there is a line spacing topic. In this there is 1.15. I have selected 1.15. In case if you want something other, more, suppose if you want more than 3 space gas, 3 number, the more than 3 number gapping should be there between the lines. So you can erase from here and you can press 4.5. You can just write 4.5 and you can apply it. You can just press on OK. As you can see, if I have entered 4.5, the gapping is been increased from 3 to 4.5 in between the lines. So in this way you can customize your own numbers in this paragraph option. What we have to do, you have to click on paragraph option. There will be option of line spacing. You have to click on this. If you are satisfied with this particular numbers, then it is well and okay. If you want to give your any adjustment, so what we have to do, you have to click on line spacing option. So with the help of this option, you can easily modify your own numbers over from here. You can use these arrows also to increase or decrease the number, or you can just click and you can, with the help of keyboard, you can input any number. So in this way this particular line spacing will work. So now, so next move to the next topic. I hope till here it is well and clear. So now what we have to do, now we'll move to the next topic. Now in paragraph option only, we'll see other kinds of topics, such as applying numbers. Applying numbers means suppose if you want to write the whole paragraph in 1, 2, 3, 4 points, so how you will write that particular points. So we will see that particular option. So that option is also present on the paragraph group. So this is the paragraph group and that option is over here. So this is the bullet numbering and this is the numbers. So how you're going to use these two options, let us see. So before starting the paragraph or before starting the line, you have to select which kind of bullets you want. So click on this small arrow. There are few different kinds of bullets. You can select it from here. Any you can select. See, I have selected this one. Automatically that particular bullet has been appeared on the text, and that bullet, let me tell you one important thing, that bullet will appear there only where the cursor is blinking. So if I am typing anything, after typing anything, if I am pressing enter, automatically the next bullet will appear in front of you. So in this way the Microsoft Word will keep on adding the bullets whenever you want. Suppose after writing this you don't want this bullet, so what we have to do, simply press the backspace button from the keyboard. That bullet will be disappeared from the screen, or that will be deleted from that particular area, and then you can start writing the whole paragraph again without bullets. So this was the option of bullet, and the same thing will continue with the numbers. So what we have to do, again you have to just skip the side option of this bullet. There are the different kinds of numbers. You can see 1, 1, 2, 3 if you want to write in numeric format, in Roman format, or capital ABC, small ABC, small Roman. In this case, whatever the option you want, you can select it from here. Suppose I'm selecting this one, so you can see the one number has been over here. So if I'm writing anything after pressing enter, automatically it will be the second point, automatically it will be the third point. So in this case the number will be applied on the MS Word text document, whatever you're writing on this particular software. Again, if you want to remove the third point, just press the backspace button. The third point will be deleted from the screen. So I hope this particular topics is I have made you clearly understood. So let us move to the last topic of this session. So the last topic will be how you are going to increase or decrease the size, and how you are going to apply the color to the text. So let us start doing that. So what we have to do, suppose if you want to increase the size of this whole particular text, what we have done on this software, so simply what we have to do, we have to select Ctrl+A option from the keyboard, and the whole text will be selected at once. After selecting the whole text, so simply what we have to do, we have to click on this particular option. This is on under the font. There is an option of font size. By default it is 11. So when you will click on this option, down arrow, you can see there are different types of number. So just place the cursor on the number. You can see the size is been increasing. So if I am clipping on the number 72, you can see the size 72. If you want to decrease the size, see this. If I am keeping on number 8, the size has been decreased. So in this way you can increase or decrease the size with the help of this particular font size option with the help of keyboard mouse. Suppose I am selecting 18. See, after deciding which number you want to, which size you want to select, just click on that particular number. That size will be applied to the whole text present on the document. So now let us see how you are going to decrease or increase the size with the help of keyboard. So what is the main shortcut key to increase or decrease the size from the keyboard? So if you want to decrease or increase the size with the help of keyboard, what we have to do, we have to press the button Ctrl plus Shift plus increase or decrease ka button. For example, let me show you. If I am pressing Ctrl button, Shift button, if in case I want to increase the size, so what I have to press the increase arrow. See, if I am pressing the increase arrow size, increase arrow button, the size is been increasing. So if I want to decrease the size, again I have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus decrease arrow button. You can see the size is been decreasing. So this was the option with the help of keyboard. So let me repeat it once again. So the shortcut key to increase or decrease the size of any text on MS Word, or any clip art images with the or any text art images, the shortcut key will be Ctrl plus Shift plus greater arrow or the smaller arrow. Let's move to the next point of the last topic, that is how to color the text. So how to color the text, we will see how we are going to color the text. So again, the coloring option is also present on the font option, font group. As you can see, there is a small A alphabet. Under that A alphabet there is a color of red. So if you want to color this whole text with the red color, just press on this particular A option only. See, the whole text is been converted into red color. So what this red color just below the A alphabet indicates, So this will indicates what is your selection. So what was your last selection? So my last selection was in the red color. So in case if I want to change the color, just beside the A alphabet there is a small arrow. Just click on that arrow and the whole you can see the different kinds of color will be appear in front of you. If you're not satisfied with this kind of color, just click on this more color option and there will be the different color. There will be more different options will be open in front of you. So there are two kinds of system. There is standard and second one is custom. So whatever you want, you can just select from here and just press OK button, and that will be applied on the text. So in this way we are going to change the color of the text. So it is not compulsory that you have to select all the text. Suppose if in case I have to change the color of this particular line, so I will select this line only. You can select any with the way with the two ways, that is with the help of shift and the arrows button, and the arrows button will be decided with the help of your direction of the cursor, and thus the second way is that with the help of mouse. So I have selected this whole text with the help of mouse. After selecting the particular text, I can change this color. See, so it is not compulsory that always you have to change the whole text or the whole paragraph color at once. Suppose if you are writing any documentation or if you are preparing any documentation for your seminar, so what you will do, so you will just write the heading in some different color and the text will be in some different color. So in this way you can just keep on changing the color. So I hope all the topics which I have explained in this video is clear to you. In the next topic or in the next video, we'll go for the other formatting tools of MS Word. Thank you.
So don't forget to like, subscribe and stay to my channel.